Hello and welcome. This is our historical documentary, session 2, titled What Can We Study? Picture I have here is of a Japanese internment camp, which is one of the 12 topics that you'll be able to explore starting today. Our directions on our blue slide number 2, we're going to work with our new writer's notebook, and then I have a Google worksheet with 10 questions I'd like you to answer. To find your new writer's notebook, we're going to go to Google Classroom, go to the classwork section. We're going to click on the top of your new writer's notebook. Okay, you will never have to submit this again. On page 2, on section 3, there's going to be a section called documentaries. Okay, and that will take us to page 80. On page 81, we're going to click on the documentary text sets. These will take us to a list of 12 documentary topics, okay? And we click on those, it'll take you to the text sets with the videos and the articles related to the topic, just like we did with the science topic, okay? So our assignment today is we're going to start exploring topics that you might want to choose from. By the end of tomorrow, we're going to want you to have explored 6 to 7 different topics. So today we're going to take about 10 or 15 minutes to explore. Then our second part is using the rest of the slides. We're going to answer questions on the Google Doc and submit it when you are done. Okay, and that should be done for tomorrow. All right. So what does it look like here? To get our new writer's notebook, you go to Google Classroom, go to Google Classwork on the top, you just click on this. Okay, so you won't have to use the English notebook, writer's notebook that you used before. This will be a new one, and you don't have to submit this ever. I can go in just like I did on the research notebook. So you'll be working on this one. You go to page 2, like we said, section 3, the documentary. When you click on that, it's going to take you to page 80, where section 3 starts. And then we want you to go to page 81, and then you click on documentary text sets, okay? And that will take you to a list like this. Here's our 12 titles that we have, okay? For example, if you take the 442nd Regimental Combat Group, you click on that, it will take you to this page. And this is just like we did with our science topic, where you have videos and we have some articles for you. And you can click on those, and we'll be taking notes in our writer's notebook this time, just like we did before with the sources, the notes, and then pictures. Okay. This is review from on Friday. We talked about what a documentary is, and having research with the different type of notes that we have and the synthesis process. It's a movie, nonfiction, and it investigates a historical event, issue, or idea, and these will be listed over here. We also mentioned that excellent documentaries have similar qualities. We talked about 3 primary source interviews, whether you're interviewing somebody who was there or actually saw it happen. You have pictures or movies from the time frame or time era that you're talking about, and then you have a narrator doing a voiceover. So when you do your movie, you don't have to have a picture like I have here in the bottom, but you have to have a voiceover. Okay, and we watched then several clips on Friday. We asked you to look for a total of 20 minutes to see what good documentaries are. Okay, I'm going to go out of this just for a second. Okay, and then we were to post on an app called Padlet, share some of our thoughts about the clips we watched and what we thought, any parts that we thought shared with, that had qualities of a good documentary. Okay. And we want to make sure that you have your name on there so I can grade that. The worksheet that you're going to have today is going to look like this. Okay, so again, there's 10 questions. Use the slides. I think if you use all the slides before this, slides 1 through 9, you'll be able to get it done. And then submit that for me at the end of the day. Okay, so again, if you have any questions, let me know. Okay, have fun looking for your research topic, and we'll talk to you later.